What is up, YouTube? So today we are testing out the Riva Racing Stage 1 kit on the Seadoo RX PX 300. This is a 2019 ski. It has 86 hours. It's got 6 bars of gas. I weigh about 150 pounds, a little bit more. Switching it up a little bit from the RXT. So this is the RXT, I guess you would say the RXT's brother. Same engine, different whole design, different body design, 2-seater. Still got the same kit on it and everything. It's Riva Racing says 75, so we were able to hit 76 this morning because, you know, we're up here in the mountains. But I'm gonna do a quick little review on it, a top speed hit, so let's see how it goes. All right, we're gonna do a top speed run. We're not gonna launch it. We're just gonna slowly ease into it and see what speed we can hit, so let's go. So that was 73. It might hit 74. I wasn't really looking. GoPro was in my way because I'm using a mouthpiece, and it was holding past 69. So that's the governor being removed. But I'm gonna run this way and see if I can get a little bit better run on it and see what we can hit.